All right, drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Qual 26 has started. Lots of robots moving, lots of robots shooting. We got 4639 shooting from the bump. ITKAN Robotics coming back for another load of fuel. It's going to be a score of 61-17 starting off this teleop. Red Alliance now has to focus on scoring points in their hub while it is their turn. Glow with the flow, trying to play some defense earlier, but now got stuck on the Blues bump, which is a way of blocking. Glow with the flow got fleet. Robo Spartans going ahead and shooting their last fuel before it becomes Blue's turn. Blue Alliance quickly scoring into their hub, quickly building that lead. 45-87, helping their alliance by trying to push some fuel toward the red side. Jersey Voltage with their googly eyes on their bot. ITKAN was a little stuck, but Flow with the Flow helped them out. ITKAN quickly grabbing some fuel for their team, while Red Alliance goes ahead and scores some fuel. Looks like 4639 is not moving. We'll see if they can get reconnected and moving again. Now it's back to Blue's turn. Now they got to go ahead and score. Blue with that energized ranking point. We'll see if they can get that supercharged point. 91-28, going back and forth with that fuel. But now it's up to Glow with the Flow and 45-87 to go ahead and score for Red. Without entering endgame, 30 seconds left. Blue almost at that 300 mark. $50-70 looks like they're having trouble moving. They may also be unconnected as well. Glow with the Flow going ahead and scoring a ton of fuel into their hub, getting their team a good amount of points. We got 3 seconds left. The Blue Alliance victory. Score of 342-71. Blue is going to go ahead and get those 4 ranking points. ITKAN still going to go ahead and keep that first place spot in this Invitational.